So these are the things you're going to need in order to remove your acrylics without damaging your natural nails. So here I have nail polish remover, and it's very important that it is 100% acetone. You're going to need some cotton, a little dish to pour your acetone, cuticle pusher, a buffer, also a nail filer, nail clippers, and aluminum foil, and also a towel to lay underneath. So I took the foil and I cut it into little squares like this. It's going to make it very easy to wrap around the fingers. So now what you want to do is take a little acetone and just pour a little bit. Take your cotton and so you should have 10 pieces of cotton, because I had 5 pieces of cotton and I just split them in half, just because you don't need the whole cotton ball for each finger. You just need a little bit of cotton.
With this buffer, I'm just going in and removing that top coat that protects the shellac. I find that doing this step makes the breakdown process go a lot quicker.
If you have a helper, it'll make it a lot easier for you, because dipping the cotton in acetone and applying it on the nail takes a while. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of cotton and you're going to dip it into your acetone.
Then placing it on the nail and wrapping with the foil.
So we're checking on the nails because I had shellac polish and that takes a little longer to break up, but as you can see here, that's what it's gonna look like once it starts breaking down with the acetone. And my mom is helping me because my other hand is also all foiled up. And so we're just removing the shellac and we're dipping our cotton back into the acetone and placing it back on the nail. So now the actual acrylic breaks down. And so we're going to do that for the rest of the nails and probably give it maybe like 20 more minutes, and then we'll see if it's already broken down and we can remove it. But we're using the cuticle pusher to kind of get rid of that shellac. We've removed the shellac and now we are going to take off the acrylic, and it looks like that. It looks kind of nasty and gooey. And my sister-in-law is helping me because my mom got tired. And she's literally just removing that acrylic that has become like a gel kind of gooey substance. So I went ahead and clipped my nails, and as you can see, they're damaged, but they're not as damaged as if you were to just rip them off. So that's what my nails look like now. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands so I can polish them. Just scrubbing well. Make sure they're nice and clean. I didn't have a base coat, so I went ahead and just applied my nail polish, and I have 2 coats of my polish on, and now I'm just waiting for them to dry so I can go ahead and apply my gel top coat. And I do recommend this gel top coat by Chanel because it really extends the wear of your nail polish and it makes it look like you have a shellac on your nails. Do you guys see that? It's so glossy. So I have just finished applying the gel top coat on all of my nails, and this is the finished product. I'm just waiting for them to dry, but they're super glossy, and this color that I chose I'm very happy with. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial on how to remove your acrylic nails without damaging your natural nails. And now that we're in quarantine, we aren't able to go to the nail shop, but we can definitely have beautiful nails. I have also ordered on Amazon a poly gel nail kit, and I'm excited to receive that. So I will be showing you guys how I work with the poly gel in a future video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit the like button if you found this tutorial useful. And I'll see you guys in my next video.